Hi guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Crochet Pink Pumpkin. Today I'm gonna show you how to use turning chain to make straight edges. It's a very easy but useful technique, definitely very useful because it gives you a clean result. So you make how many stitches, chain stitches your pattern tell you to make. So here I think I made 6, and then you make one additional chain that is your turning chain, and it will allow you to turn. And I put a marker on it like that, you see better. And from this stitch you count 1, 2. So you go to the second stitch from the turning chain and you slide your hook in and you start your row from here. So here this stitch, the turning chain, becomes the first stitch of your row. I'm just replacing it like that, you see better, and you keep going from now. So the turning chain becomes the first stitch of your row. That's why you skip the previous stitch and you go to the second one, and you keep going this way. There you go. So you still have 6 stitches because I had 6 at the beginning. And turning chain, you see, allow you to turn your work. I put a marker on it, and 1, you skip it, you go to the second one and single crochet or whatever you want to do. It becomes the first stitch of your row. I always replace it like that, you see better. So 1, 2, and you finish your row. And at the end, that's where the trick is. On the last stitch you will put your hook where the marker is. That's why I use marker here. It was the first turning chain, remember? So you put your hook here. I show you one last time on a little bit further in the work. So turning chain, I recommend you to use stitch marker, it's just easier. Then 1, 2, and you go to the second one and you make your single crochet. And the last stitch goes where the previous turning chain was. There you go. So please subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and I see you very soon. Bye bye.